Hello everyone. Do you have small eyes and want them to look bigger but you don't know how? In today's video, I will show you a super simple trick to make your eyes appear larger. My name is Sahrish and I make videos about makeup tips and tricks. So let's get started. So guys, first of all I am going to prep my eyelid using an eyelid primer. Always make sure to prep your skin or eye before applying makeup. I am using hard candy eyelid primer and I will set my eyelid with it. Next I will apply a small amount of concealer. That one is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. Using a lighter concealer shade helps colors on the eyelid stand out more. I am also applying this concealer to my lower lid with the same brush I used for my upper lid, but without adding more product because we don't need more product here. Now I will set everything with a fluffy brush and setting powder. Moving on the eyeshadow, I am taking the shade Bug from the Naked palette and blend it into the crease, placing it slightly above the crease to make my eye appear larger. Remember, blending is key. Keep blending upwards until there are no harsh lines. This technique gave the illusion of bigger eyes. For the lower lid, we usually apply eyeshadow right along the lash line. This time, however, I am applying it just a bit below the lash line. This creates a shadow effect, making the eye look bigger. I am using a small brush to work in these tight areas. You can already see the difference. Without eyeliner, my eyes looks larger and bigger. Next, I will draw a small wink on the lower lid along the eyeshadow line. This is just an illusion to make the eye look bigger. For the upper lid, if you have a darker or lighter skin tone, choose a brown or black shade according to your skin tone. Here I am using brown to draw a thin line along my upper lash line, using back and forward motion to build up a tiny wing at the end. Then I will blend it with a cotton swab to soften the look, creating a beautiful shape for the eyes. Now I am applying highlighter in the inner corner to brighten up that area. For my eyelid, I will add a metallic shade like silver or gold using my finger for the best pigmentation. I am using a silver gold mix here. Then I will take an off-white shade with a small brush and draw a faint line between the upper and lower both wings. This trick make it look like the outer corner is more open, enhancing the eye's size. Time to curl the lashes. Here a trick for applying mascara after the first and second coat, which cover the entire lash from root to tip. Apply the third and fourth coat only on the tip of the lashes to add length. For the lower lashes, apply mascara on the tips as well. Finally, I'm using a beige pencil on the waterline and extending it slightly outward at the outer corner between the wings. You can clearly see the difference. One eye looks bigger while the other appears smaller. It's not hard, just keep practicing and you will get it in no time. So guys, this is the video for today and you can see guys how easily you can make your eyes bigger and larger. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to support my YouTube channel. And if you have any comments or any suggestions, you can mention it in the comment section, and you can also follow me on TikTok, Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys, love you all.